Hey, so Jungle Scout Chrome extension price and pricing, we're going to talk about it in this video. In the description, you're going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout as well, and a playlist of over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials. And also, of course, a tutorial for the Jungle Scout extension itself of how to use it. So what's the price and the pricing of the extension? Look, you can get the extension by paying $49 a month with the basic plan. So you get full access to the browser extension for Chrome and Firefox. And you also get the extension with the suite and professional plans. So basically, if you only need the extension, then any plan is good. But of course, I would recommend you the suite and professional plans because they have more things than the extension. Of course, with the discounts in the description, you can even have the extension cheaper than the basic. So you have a special kind of discount for the suite plan that will help you save money, and you'll be able to get the extension at less than $49 a month. Even with the basic, you have the special discount for the suite. You can also pay annually and get the extension. So with the basic and the suite and professional, you can pay $349 per year only and $588 per year only with the suite and $999 per year only with the professional. I wouldn't recommend you that though. I would recommend you checking the link in the description for the discounts because you can save hundreds of dollars for these plans. So I believe about $200 on the suite and about $300 on the professional with a special link in the description. So this way you'll be able to get the extension at a lower rate. And here on the screen, I'm going to leave you the tutorial that shows you how to use the extension in the playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials. And of course, the discounts for Jungle Scout are going to appear here. Also in the description, they're going to appear as well. So Jungle Scout extension price and pricing, you can get it without the plans, but I would recommend you, if you're getting already the plans, go for Suite and Professional. And I wish you a great day. Thank you for watching.